Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up again with a beef roast, but this beef roast is like something different. Please stay tuned with me. Okay, so I will tell you what we need. So this is 1 kg of bhindi. I have taken a normal beef, marinated overnight with ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and a little bit of vinegar. So it's nicely been this. Now this we have to transfer it to our pressure cooker where we are going to cook this. Okay. The next is the Worcester sauce will go in this. So it is like around 1 teaspoon of this Worcester sauce, and 1 is HP, that is bunkel sauce. HP sauce, you can say that of that, and we will apply that. Now to grind we need some. So what I have done, these are the coriander's leaf, what we get a bunch in the market, and I have cut down all the roots, like this is the part of the roots. So I have chopped this part. First I have washed it nicely, chopped, and that I am going to use to grind this, okay, to a masala. Then I will be using some basil leaves and some parsley, okay. So these are some basil leaves, some parsley. 2 onions will also go in this. So these are 2 onions also gone in this. Now to grind is this basil leaves in the mixer, parsley, coriander is like 1 bunch, and this is whole ginger, and around 10 to 12 garlic flakes. Then I'll be around 5 green chilies. Then this is red bell, I've taken 1, and I've taken 1 big green bell. So we all have to grind this. Then I will be using some of herbs, mixed herbs, and oregano and pepper powders. Salt is already there. So let's grind this. So now I've grind this all peppers, red, green pepper, ginger garlic paste, and ginger garlic, and also my green chilies. So now I will add this in this, and then we'll add this coriander leaves and all that, and we'll grind. So now here this is the coriander. You can use the whole coriander, but I have used the roots, like when we chop it and we throw it out the half thing. I have used that, so you can utilize that also. So here we go, and now we'll mix this. First before that we will put some oregano to this, mix herbs and oregano. Few crushed pepper, and now we have to cook this for around 45 minutes. First whistle will be on high flame, and then second it will be 45 minutes. Now we will mix this all together with the onions inside, and let this cook nicely. And very tasty. The flavors, all the flavor. Just check the salt. I think so we need little bit of salt. I've not used anything else. I've not used any what is that, cloves or cinnamon or red chili or nothing of that. These are all like parsley, coriander stems, the stock stems, then some sausage. So it's like a different type of roast. So now we can add 1 cup of water to this and keep for cooking. So this is that same masala that what we grind on, that one, and we'll add this little bit of around 2 tablespoons of oil in this, and I've changed the vessel, actually the cooker, because that was falling short. It was becoming smaller, so now I will keep it on gas for 45 minutes. So now we'll do it for 45 minutes. Then I will show you the final results after 45 minutes. So now here again, and we will, after it is nicely cooked, this is our meat. So let's cut this however you want. Whichever, it's nicely cooked. Yeah, so it's nicely cooked. And just tasty. This is done, and remaining I will keep this full loaf inside. Whenever I want, then I will this is the gravy what we got. Out of it, this is all gravy. So now we will have to take this same procedure which I have showed you, that ox tongue recipe. So you can directly put in your bread and eat, or if you want it juicy, then it's very simple. So now I will take this gravy, how much we want. And high flame, and then here it goes in this. And let this all get nicely in this. Same procedure it is. If you see my all other roast meats, it is the same procedure, but I show so that it is a complete. And this beef roast it's a special because it is made out of parsley, basil, coriander, the stamp of coriander. Not the coriander leaves, but the stem of all the coriander, the other half part. And also I have used some red bells and green bells. So, and that's how this sauce which we get this, it is very, very, very tasty. I just tasted and it is so tasty. So hope you all will enjoy this, and do let me know how it is. Thank you so much for this, for watching, and that's it. Enjoy your parsley, basil, leaves beef roast. Thank you so much. So here I am serving this, and so same procedure for this meat. If you want to have directly, you can have directly. So hope you will enjoy this. Try this. It's something new and you will all enjoy this. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching me.